Hello, thank you for joining me again. Today's video on Friend's Car Repair Corner is me doing my front brakes and pads. So yeah, let's just get straight to it. Let's get to the car and get that wheel off. Okay, so I've got a T45 here. Gonna get rid of the two bolts, one there and then one just underneath where I removed those two caps from. Okay, so for the rears, loosen up there and these two. One, two. I believe that should have, yeah, made it loose, so I can now, yeah, take it all off. So let me do that quick. Right, that is now the brakes done, front and back. My phone did die and needed to carry on, so that's why there's only 3 of them done rather than the 4th. I cracked on anyway, so they all have been done. But yeah, I only had the footage of the 3, so yeah, that's any of the eagle-eyed people that are in there. Wait a minute, you only showed 3? Yeah, my phone died and I just wanted to crack on because, yeah, under time constraints, got kids and busy life and stuff like that. I didn't want to be without my car. I didn't want to then go charge it and stuff like that. So apologies there, okay, for the 4th wheel, but I think you got the gist of, yeah, what needs to be done. Yeah, no, thank you to everybody that have been watching my videos and that have subscribed. I have set myself a challenge now. So for by the end of February, so I'm hoping to have a few more videos in by then, but by the end of February, I'd like to get 100 subscribers. Now, I know I've been doing this for what, maybe nearly 6 months now or something like that, and 6 months I've got 60 subscribers, so that's what, 10 subscribers a month. So I don't know where I am going to get to my 100 subscribers in yeah, by the end of February, but that's what my goal is. That's what I'm trying to push for at the moment now. So if you're not a subscriber, please do click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It just helps me and the channel out massively. And if you have liked the video, then yeah, also hit a like. If you've got any questions, then yeah, do put a comment in. If you've got any videos that you'd like me to try and do, then yeah, put that in the comments as well. And yeah, I'll read them, I'll reply, and yeah, I'll try and get the content that you want. Yeah, thanks again, and join me on the next one.